Hi, hi all. In this video, we are going to uh, understand about what is Maven Clean Goal, what it does. Generally, we most of the times Maven Clean Goal we will in our day-to-day life we will use this Maven Clean Goal. Actually, when we use one build, for example, when you use MVN package, then at the end of the Maven package goal, it will generate some uh, files inside target folder. Okay, and then when you're running for the second time, say second build like MVN package, during that time our build may not work as expected or it may get failed. Then then at that time we frequently use MVN clean goal so that before executing the second build we will use this maven clean goal, then it will completely remove the previous build created generated files. Whatever the files are generated by the previous build, those files it will completely remove. Then when we use next build mvn package, then it will create a fresh new target folder, and then it will generate fresh files and place those files inside target folder. So I am going to show you that uh, in practical now. Let me go to my workspace. This is my workspace. Here you can see. Here I am having MEN demo. By default, I am having target because I have executed previous build. So let me delete that one. I have deleted. Here I am having pom.xml file. So in the same place, wherever we are having pom.xml file, in that directory, we need to open command prompt. Here, let me use one build, first build here, mvn package. This is my first build. When I use mvn package, it will scan the pom.xml file, and then it will compile the test cases, it will run the test cases, and then it will create a jar file. That jar will be inside target folder. Yeah, you can see Maven demo jar is created where inside target folder. Let me go to the target folder here. You can see now the target is created. Even you can see 8/6/2024. The date also now 8/6/2024. So on 2029 at 8:30 it has created, 8:29 it has created. Just now it has created. So you can see these are all the files created by the Maven package. Okay. Then sometimes when we use second build like MVN package, due to some reasons, due to these files due to some reasons, these whatever the second build we are going to do now, that build may not get work, may not get success, or may not work as as expected. In that case, we had to delete this target folder. Okay, instead of manually, but instead of doing this deletion, instead of manually deleting this target folder, we can delete this entire target folder with the help of maven clean goal. Let me show you that one. Let me execute first mvn clean, clean clean. Let's see now. It's scanning the project. It has clean now. You can see build success. Build success. It is saying deleting. What it is deleting, under the tech workspace maven demo project is there. Inside that project, whatever target is there, it is deleted. Let me go there and see whether the target folder is there or not. You can come here. Is there any target folder here? There is no target folder. That means maven clean command, clean goal, it has deleted whatever the previous build is generated files including target folder. Okay, now let me execute second build mvn package. Now again it will create the target folder and place all the generated for files inside the target folder. Yeah, it's running test cases. Yeah, build got success. You can see right under the D drive tech workspace target folder is created and this jar is added. Let me go and show you whether target folder is created or not inside maven demo project. Here, come here, maven demo is there, target is created, and then you can see now time 8:31. You can see all the files just now created, and then jar also created. Yeah, That's it, the information about the Maven clean gold, guys. Please do like, share, and subscribe all those videos for more encouragement. Yeah, thank you so much, guys.